show how cylinders with excess flow valves react when the cylinder valve breaks off, once while mounted within the breathing apparatus equipment and twice on loose cylinders. You can observe how cylinders with excess flow valves remain quite still if the cylinder valve is broken off. The cylinder contents empty without any dangerous reaction, leaving the technical maintenance team free to replace the faulty valve.